Hi guys, welcome to another video. This one's the drone footage to the other video I took of a place called Flintshire, Flintshire's coast. Now I'll tell you a little bit about this coast. It stretches for 25 miles. The lighthouse, as you can see I'm approaching now, was built in 1777. It used to be busy at one time up the estuary, Dee Estuary it's called, which is the mouth of the River Dee. They used to build boats, ships, and bring in a lot of cargo as well, imported. In fact, it says in the 1900s, Flint Port was handling 8,429 tons of cargo. That's a lot. So you can imagine this area being really busy. Yeah, it's got a lot of since obviously as time's gone on, they don't need that anymore. They didn't need the the old factories and the old industry like that they used to use. So what they've done now is they've obviously took a lot of that down. People have moved in with caravans just over the dunes at the back. There's the Dee Estuary right over the back there, and that's the mouth. So on the other side of there, that's a piece of land, and right at the point of that land to the north, that's where Liverpool is. There's like a bridge going across from that piece of land there. You can see over to Liverpool. So it's just round the corner really from Liverpool. So 1777 the lighthouse was built. Could have been refurbished and fixed up over time, as we know how powerful the sea is. It's washed away the platform anyway. That's what all them rocks are for. The rocks are. Yeah, if you didn't see my other video, please have a look, check it out. I'll take a picture of it with my camera, and then I'll show you the editing process that I go through. So if you like that sort of thing, please go over to check out my other videos. But I am going to start doing a bit more photography side and taking the drone up as well. So it's going to be a mixture of both. And if there's anything else, might not be related to this. Sometimes I do a bit of drawing. So, I might upload a video of me drawing or doing something like that. So that's why it's called different Mr. C's different differences, because it's just going to be different things. It's not all focused on one. At the moment I've got a lot of video up, mainly the drone footage, which I've been enjoying. I've been enjoying flying the drone. It's amazing. So I'll continue to do that. What I'm going to look into as well in the next video is I took a picture of this using the drone. So I've got a picture using my camera from the floor. I've got a picture using my drone and video using the drone. So what I might do is edit the picture that I took with the drone to see what that comes out, what that looks like. I think that'd be interesting. And there's other places. I went to a dam in Wales, because that's where this is. I don't know whether I mentioned it earlier, but this is Wales, the most northliest point in Wales. This is if there's people from abroad listening, this is the UK, United Kingdom, not far from Liverpool. If you look at the information I've put down in the description, and it'll tell you the name of the beach. You can Google it on Google Maps, it'll take you straight there. And if anybody wants to visit, it'd be nice to come and visit. I know it's not the best day at the moment, obviously the time of the year. You can get rain and high winds and stuff like that. So, but if you want to come on, it's a nice sunny day, come down. Bring the family, it's a big beach. You ain't going to struggle for a spot, am you? Also, what was I thinking? I was just thinking something then. It's on the tip of my tongue. I was just thinking of something as I was talking. Oh yeah. It's really cheap as well, the parking. Now there's a car park that's close, not too far. That's like £3 all day. But there's another one a bit further down. You might have to walk a little bit longer to the beach. Probably an extra 10-15 minutes, something like that. And that's 20 pence for 2 hours. You can't beat that, can you? So if you wanted, like, the day there, it's going to cost you less than £1. So, it's really good. As you can see, I'm just going down the beach because there's nobody there. Just taking the drone down. I'm having a look. Like I said, it's 25 miles out. Obviously, I don't go that far. But just goes on, doesn't it? Like I said before, it's 25 miles, the coast. It goes from Chester, because that's another place, Chester. We ain't far from Chester. Chester, Chester Zoo. It's a famous zoo. It's a really good zoo, actually. I've been there with the family a number of times. It's really big. It's a big zoo. I mean, it takes you all day to walk around it. If you want to, see all the animals there, you need to spend a day, get there early. But yeah, 25 miles long from Chester to Gronant. So yeah, it's a good stretch of the coast. There's a castle. There was I went past one part. There was a big ship. It was like on the side, parked up, but it was all rusty and that. It's just somebody just left it there. But I wouldn't have mind. I would have liked to have gone round with my drone and had a look at that. But by the time I've done all this on here and took some pictures, the dark, the night soon drawed in. Like I was struggling to see on the way back. It's quite deceiving, really, isn't it? Because looking at that video, it looks so light. But I took some pictures with my camera of the lighthouse, and it was really dark. I had to have the shutter speed 1/6 it was. Just try and let as much light in as I could. But yeah, I mean, you can see the dunes. All that's dunes, that is, and that's over the right hand side there. There's loads of little pools for the wildlife to enjoy and flourish. Yeah, there's different things along the coast. I mean, you've got the castle, you got Flint Marsh, you got Flintshire's bridge. as well. There's a bridge further down. That takes you onto the D side in industrial park. So it's all industrial stuff. Garden City is further down as well. So you ain't got to just stop in this area. Make your way up the Dee Estuary, and you come across a lot of stuff. You know, Greenfields Dock. I bet that's probably where I saw that that ship. Big massive ship it was. Point of, I don't know what that says. AYR. Horror. I don't know. But that's a point, another point further around the coast. So as you go up there to the Dee Estuary, walk down there, it's got a lot of stuff. Or take a car and just keep, you know, stopping at different locations on the way. You could make a day of it, couldn't you, really? Come down early and just keep making your way up, getting different footage with the oh look, there's me down there with my tripod. Got my tripod, got my position, but I do move it once I get the drone down. Start on the photography side then. You won't believe how windy it was though. I mean, it was really windy, and look how still that is. It's the more heavier drone. It's the DJI Air 3. So let's have a look, see how heavy it is. Okay, so it weighs 720 grams. So it's a bit heavier than obviously the 249, the smaller drones. But I wouldn't have been able to have got this footage if I was using the Mini. Because it would have been unstable. Yeah, so this is where I was just experimenting, you see, because there's nobody on the beach. When people do, there is some people that do start making the way down to the lighthouse. At this time, I'm heading back. But so what I'm trying to do here is go a bit lower and look up at the lighthouse. It's good to experiment, you see, different angles. See how I'm pointing it up. I think that's quite nice. Nice angle, that is. Let me know what you think anyway. Leave me some comments. There ain't much colour though, is there? That's what it was actually like. I went across here, the drone is, so these different pathways. There's lots of different pathways to get to the beach. But because there's all these pools, some of the pathways lead you through them, and you need wellies or waders, depending on how deep the pool is. So I was just checking out a different route if I could to get back. You see the pathway over the back there? That's the main path. Yeah, I'll just change it to night vision then. See that? Because you got normal and night, and it don't have to make a difference really. That looks nice, doesn't it? Look at that, just going across the dunes there towards the lighthouse. Amazing. The drones are getting more and more sophisticated, more and more things on there. I would love to have a drone with the same resolution as my camera. That'd be absolutely amazing. I mean, I'm saying it's 48 megapixels, but I don't know about that. I don't know how they get that. Because I had a Nikon D850. I'll tell you what, the images I was getting from that was beautiful. I had the D800 first, Nikon D800. Yeah, there's a couple of people there now. Look, come onto the beach. Well, we're already over here now. So I've just flown the drone around a little bit. Yeah, so that's it really. There's the Dee Estuary just over there. Yeah, Nikon. I had the Nikon D800. Then I had it was D800E, and then the D850. I'm trying to think, what megapixel was it now? The D850 on here, Nikon, still going for 2,600. Wow, aren't they? Let's think, what megapixel? Let's have a look. 45.7. 45.7 megapixels. It's definitely a lot better than this 48. But it is what it is. I'm going to try and get some nice pictures with the drone as well, and compare the two with my camera. And with the drone, you can't, you know, you get in some places where you just can't get with a camera. So it's a bonus. I'm coming to the end now anyway. Well, thanks for watching though. Really appreciate, you know, your time that you take out of your day to have a look at some of my videos. I really appreciate that. Please like and subscribe. I want the channel to grow. It gives me something, you know, gives me a lot of pleasure knowing that people enjoy my videos. You all take care anyway. Okay, till the next time. Bye.